Good evening, students. I am back with BSc Agriculture question paper. So let's discuss. Okay, तो जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है वो है विच टाइप ऑफ इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स इन्वॉल्व्स द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ एंटीबायोटिक्स फाउंड इन द ब्लड। इसका जो सही आंसर होगा वो होगा ह्यूमरल इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स। Now moving to the next question, how are floating debris initially removed in primary treatment? The answer will be sequence filtration. Now question number 3, which type of bacteria produce large amounts of methane along with carbon dioxide and hydrogen gas? Very simple. The answer is methanogens. Now the next question, what is responsible for initiating replication in a chromosome? Origin of replication. Now question number 5, which polymer is commonly used as the matrix in gel electrophoresis? The answer will be agarose gel. ये प्रॉपर NCERT के क्वेश्चंस हैं. Now question number 6, which level of organization do arthropods have? Answers is organ system. The level of organization in arthropods is organ system. Now moving forward, what are the respiratory organs in arthropods? The answer will be gills, book lungs. Next question number 8, what type of mouth do cyclostomes have? The answer is sucking and circular. Next question number 9, what is the amount of covering of a seed called? The answer is seed coat. Now moving to question number 10, which part of the embryo is often fleshy and full of reserve food material? The answer will be cotyledons. Now question number 11, approximately how many million years ago did Dryopithecus and Ramapithecus primates exist? The answer will be 15 billion years ago. Question number 12, where did Neanderthal men primarily inhabit? The answer is Europe. Question number 13, in pneumonia, which part of lungs do bacteria infect? Answer is alveoli. Question number 14, what is the characteristic feature of acquired immunity? The answer is memory. Question number 15 आपका, which type of lymphocytes are involved in the primary and secondary immune response? The answer is B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. Question number 16, what is the system of providing scientific names with components called? Very easy, binomial nomenclature. Question number 17, what is the process by which anything is grouped into convenient categories based on easily observable characters? The answer is classification. Question number 18, who proposed the 5-kingdom classification system in 1969? The answer is R.H. Whittaker. Completely NCERT based questions पूछे गए हैं, तो आप निश्चिंत रहिए, BSc नर्सिंग में भी NCERT based questions ही आएंगे. Now moving forward, question number 19, what criteria did R.H. Whittaker primarily used for classification in his system? The cell structure, body organization, mode of nutrition, phylogenetic characteristics, ये सब NCERT पे लिखे हुए mentioned हैं. Question number 20, archaebacteria are special since they live in most harsh habitats such as extreme salty areas, hot springs, marshy areas. Question number 21, which term did Morgan coin to describe the physical association of genes on a chromosome? इस क्वेश्चन के जो चॉइसेस थे उसमें थे रिकम्बिनेशन, क्रॉसिंग ओवर, तो इसका जो आंसर होगा क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग, ऑप्शंस के अकॉर्डिंग, नन ऑफ द अबव. आप एक बार क्वेश्चन चेक कर लीजिएगा. देखिए, आप जब झारखंड कंबाइन का एग्ज़ाम दे रहे हैं तो वो झारखंड कंबाइन और भी कितने एग्ज़ाम्स कंडक्ट करवाता है, उसके क्वेश्चन पेपर रखना और देखना आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है. Question number 22. How are two nucleotide linked to form a dinucleotide? The answer will be 3-5- phosphodiester linkage. आगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. In which year was the double helix model proposed by James Watson and Francis Crick? The answer will be 1953. Question number 24. In eukaryotes, which set of positively charged protein plays a key role in DNA organization? The answer will be histones. Next, question number 25. How many base pairs of DNA helix does a typical nucleosome contains? It is 200 base pairs. The answer will be 200 base pairs. Question number 26. What phenomenon is caused by the rapid multiplication of red dinoflagellates? The answer is red tides. Next, question number 27. Which of the following is a common example of phycomycetes? तो जो ऑप्शंस थे उसमें से राइजोपस है वो फाइकोमाइसिटीज़ के एग्जाम्पल है। देखिए मैंने आपको कहा था एग्जाम्पल्स दे दिए जाएंगे बहुत सारे और आपको पूछा जाएगा कि किस फैमिली किस किंगडम को बिलोंग करता है, किस ऑर्डर को बिलोंग करता है। इस तरह के ट्विस्टेड क्वेश्चन बीएससी नर्सिंग का भी बहुत ज़्यादा फेवरेट है, तो आपको जो एग्जाम्पल्स है वो कंठस्थ याद होना चाहिए। Question number 28. Who recognized certain microbe as the causal organism of the mosaic disease of tobacco? The answer will be Dmitry Ivanovsky. Question number 29. Where are the sex organs Antheridia and Archegonia produced in mosses? The example will be the apex of the leafy shoots. Question number 30. What term describes the body plane when any plane passing through the central axis of the body divides the organism into two identical halves? The plane of symmetry is called radial symmetry. The answer is radial symmetry. Question number 31. Methanogens in the gut of ruminant animals such as cows and buffaloes are responsible for, very easy, producing methane. Question number 32. What pigment do cyanobacteria possesses that is similar to green plants or higher plants? The chlorophyll pigment is chlorophyll A. Question number 33. What is the role of chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria? The answer will be recycling nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, iron and sulfur, not producing oxygen. Which of the following organisms that completely lack a cell wall and can survive without oxygen? The answer will be Mycoplasma. Question number 35. What group include diatoms and golden algae? The answer will be Chrysophytes. Question number 36. Which disorder is treated in the first clinical general therapy given in 1990? The answer will be adenosine deaminase deficiency. Moving towards question number 37. Which part of the dicotyledonous embryonal axis is located above level of cotyledons? The answer will be epicotyle. Question number 38. Which code governs the naming of plants? That is International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. Question number 39. Which term is used to describe the hierarchical arrangement of taxonomic categories? The answer will be taxonomic hierarchy. Moving to question number 40. What are the characteristics of eubacteria or true bacteria? The characteristic of eubacteria or true bacteria are rigid cell wall and presence of a flagellum. Question number 41 है what are the animals possessing a pseudocoelom called? Pseudocoelomates. The answer is pseudocoelomates. Question number 42. What cells line the spongiocele and canals in sponges? And the answer is conocytes. Question number 43. What are the nidoblasts used for nidarians? Anchorage, defense and prey capture. Question number 44. What is the common name for organisms belonging to the phylum of Ctenophora? The answer is sea walnuts or comb jellies. Due to the presence of comb jellies, it is also called comb jellies. Question number 45. What is the common name for organism belonging to the phylum of Aschelminthus? The answer will be roundworms. Moving forward to question number 46. In which type of plant organ are radially vascular bundle commonly found? The answer will be roots. Question number 47. Which hormone is secreted by the pineal gland? The answer is melatonin. Question number 48. What are the junctions called through which a nerve impulse is transmitted from one neuron to another? The answer is synapses. Question number 49. What is the process called when microspores are formed from a pollen mother cell through meiosis? The answer is microsporogenesis. Moving to the last question of this session, question number 50. What is the main function of the placenta during pregnancy? The answer will be facilitation of oxygen and nutrition supply to the embryo.